Hello beautiful audience, in this video we are going to replace Huawei Y7 Prime broken skin. By watching this video you can replace your own phone broken skin by yourself. Please don't skip any second of this video. So let's have a look and don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us. You can see here is our Huawei Y7 Prime 2018 model. This skin is not working. So first of all, we are going to open SIM card. After opening SIM card, now we will open back cover. As it's an old model, so we don't need a heat gun to open it. After replacing Neo scan, we will use B7000 glue. Because of some problem, we couldn't show it in this video, so sorry about that. Lastly, you can see our scan replacement is complete, so we will check it now. After open this phone, you can see our scan is working properly without any laggings. So beautiful audience, our scan replacement done here. So we will back with another video with another problem, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you had any kind of problem with your phone or phone settings, just drop a comment in comment section. Also, you can mail us. Here is our mail. That's all for today. Cheerio.